What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Horology Slop. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another unboxing. So I got word on Facebook from a watch group I'm in, a Timex watch group, that somebody was selling this particular Timex brand new on eBay for $25 shipped. And it's a special edition Timex. So I'm very excited to open this on camera. Very excited to share with you what I found. Shout out, I forget who did it, but shout out to whoever guided all of us. There's like 7 of us that bought the same watch, because the dude's got like, the seller on eBay's got like 20 of these at the time of this recording. It may be less now. This was like 5 days ago, but yeah, shout out to the guy, the nice gentleman in our Timex group that alerted us to this deal, because this watch normally is like $50 shipped. So to get it for like half off, I guess the guy had too many. He was just trying to get rid of all of them. Brand new in box. Let's open it. I'm excited. So, and for those of you who don't know, I am very much a gamer at heart. I'm 37 years old, and I love to play video games. I have since I was a little kid. So this watch very much spoke to me. Oh. And it is upside down, so... Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, here we go. So, Timex, in collaboration with Space Invaders, came out with this particular watch. And if you hear my cat meowing and running around, sorry in advance. Look at this thing. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Now, we'll get back to that in a second. Let's see. This box has layers. I don't know if they do anything. Oh, yes, they do. Oh, that's cool. Look at that box. That's a cool box. I save my watch boxes usually, so definitely will be saving this one as well. Very cool. This is the Timex T80. I believe this is my first T80. Yeah, very cool. Definitely gaming themed. Shows you different modes, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, Space Invaders themed Timex watch. Very cool indeed. So it folds up nice and neat. Timex international warranty stuff. T80 instruction manual. As well as a picture of the watch in action. Barcode on that side. Very cool. Okay. Setting that off to the side. That is a nice cardboard box. Yeah, again, $25 shipped for these brand new units. So very cool. Look at that. Look at that dial. Isn't that beautiful? It's very nice. So you got the love it or hate it. I kind of hate these bands, but they're okay. You got the classic vintage metal stainless steel band. This one, it is in black or dark gray to match the watch. There's the T80, of course, with the Space Invaders graphics on there as well. Up at the top, you've got the reference number, really nice. Then the clasp. So what I need to do now is size this, which means it's a guessing game, because these, again, with these kind of bands, Casio is notorious for these vintage bands since the 70s and 80s. So is Timex, clearly. I need to do this off camera so I can see what I'm doing, and then we'll come back with it on my wrist with the time set and all that stuff. So I will be right back. Real quick before I do all that, I meant to show the back. So there is the back with the Space Invaders logo and graphics and the Timex logo. Very cool. I think that's all I wanted to show you. Oh yeah, it says stainless steel down here on that clasp. But yeah, very cool. All right, without further ado, now let's size this and get it on the wrist, and we'll be right back. It looks so good. It looks so good. Let's get a closer look. But yeah, I like it. I like it. Still not crazy about these bands, but anyway, we'll talk about that here in a second. Okay, there it is. Very nice. I love the watch. So this watch does the month, the day, and the year, which is cool, because I know it's hard to see with this camera because it doesn't get very close, but it's got a 7-day strip there in between the time and the date. So it'll tell you what day it is too, which is cool. So currently it's Saturday, January 3rd, 2026. Got that all set up. It is 8:05 p.m. and counting. Very nice. Still not crazy about this band. This band, Like, I like it because it matches the watch, obviously, but it's just a pain. It takes like almost a minute for me to get it on, just because I have to like hold the watch close to my chest so I can latch it. You know, I like wearing my watches somewhat tight. In fact, this one's a little too tight. I'm going to adjust it again. I can't fit my finger in there, so that's just one thing I need to do. But I may just end up just buying a whole nother band, a black band altogether. Maybe one of the walkie bands I like to buy for this watch. But yeah, there you go. Just a quick unboxing setup and first look at the Space Invaders edition Timex T80. Very nice. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll link it below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody. Have a good night.